Boldin versus Right Capital. Which retirement planner is better? Are you deciding between Boldin, formerly New Retirement, and Right Capital to plan your retirement? In this video, we'll compare these powerful tools, designed for DIY users and financial advisors respectively, and help you figure out which one fits your needs best. Boldin is a direct-to-consumer retirement planning platform built for individuals and families who want hands-on control over their financial future. No advisor needed. It offers tax modeling, income strategy, Monte Carlo simulations, and more, with tiered pricing from free access to paid features starting at around $10 a month. Right Capital, on the other hand, is a robust financial planning tool designed exclusively for advisors. While end users don't sign up themselves, you can access it through your advisor, sometimes at no extra cost. Here's how they compare: target audience and access. Boldin is fully accessible to individuals. Right Capital is advisor delivered and not available for direct sign up. Planning features. Both platforms include retirement projections, social security, Roth conversions, tax planning, Monte Carlo scenarios, and healthcare modeling. Boldin also emphasizes on tax optimization, income strategy, home equity decisions, and withdrawal modeling. Right Capital adds advisor-centric features like CRM integration, billing, compliance support, and advanced estate business modules. Cost and setup. With Boldin, you can sign up directly, try a free version, or subscribe starting at around $10 a month, plus coaching or CFP help if needed. Right Capital requires working with an advisor. Some users access it for a one-time fee or via partnerships like Root Financial. Support. Boldin supports users through live recorded classes, coaching, and optional fee-only advisor help. Right Capital support comes through your advisor. And now for the pros and cons. For Boldin, its pros included having full DIY access with deep modeling features, transparent control over assumptions and projections, and an affordable pricing and educational resource. However, some users criticize default assumptions as too conservative. For example, default nominal return rates, optimistic of 4 to 5% and pessimistic of 2%, translate into low or negative real returns unless adjusted. A few users say it lacks drilling down on income, taxes, and expenses compared to Right Capital. For Right Capital, its pros included having highly detailed modeling, especially for income, taxes, and complex scenarios. It also has strong satisfaction among advisors, scoring high in surveys for ease of use and support. However, it's not accessible unless you work with an advisor or purchase through specialized programs. Some users find parts of its modeling black boxy or non adjustable, making the assumption opaque. So, what do real users say? Right Capital was the gold standard. Boldin is getting closer all the time. Another shared, Right Capital lets me model detailed taxes, while Boldin is better if you only need one tool. So, which retirement planner is better? If you want full DIY control, affordable pricing, and frequently run what if scenarios with customizable assumptions, Boldin is the ideal choice. If you work with an advisor and need deep case specific modeling, detailed income or tax modeling, and back end planning tools, Right Capital may deliver more power, but it's only via an advisor. Bonus strategy: many users do both. Build your own plan in Boldin and then compare or enhance it using Right Capital through an advisor. And there's an honest review of Boldin versus Right Capital.